Hey, it's Satara.
Hey, it's Calais, and welcome to Pretty Hair is Fun.
Today we have an awesome package from Prizm. We wanted to show you guys their anti-scald automatic hair curler, and we're going to do a quick unboxing with you. So, let's look at it. So the first thing we've got in the box are these two little hair clips, alligator clips. You gonna hold this for me? We've got a glove. I'm assuming this is going to be some type of like heat protectant glove that you get with like a wand. And we'll pull out the actual curler. See if there's anything else in the box that we need. We've got instructions and their hair sectioning card. So the curler itself comes in this cute little carrying case. It says Prizm on it. And we'll pull out the actual curler. So this is what it looks like. So this is the curler. It's got its power buttons down here. We've got multiple different temperatures. We've got ranging from 330 degrees Fahrenheit to 450, so that's a really cool range of temperatures. And then the two buttons for making this rotate, it seems. So.
And it was saying that when you're curling the right side of your head, you click this button. When you're curling the left side of your head, you click this button so it doesn't turn towards you and get caught.
All right, this was also in the box. It's a hair sectioning card. Do you know what that is, Dogs?
Yeah. So you're gonna take your hair, and if you don't know the sizing you wanna put in, you put this in your hair, and it shows you about how much is good to put inside the curling iron. So you'd see right here that this is a good amount of hair to put inside the curling iron so you don't burn yourself or get too much.
Nice. Let's try it out.
Another really cool thing about this curling iron is the bottom rotates. So when you're like curling your hair, the cord can't get like stuck. I don't know if this ever happened, but you're curling your hair and it ends up like wrapping completely around you and just gets in the way. So that's really nice.
That's awesome. I am just taking Calais' hair and I'm parting it off. And I'm just gonna take the clips that they gave me and I'm just going to hold off the bits that I sectioned up. These are actually pretty decent sized alligator clips, I've gotta be honest, and it's got all of Calais' hair up in the clip. So that's impressive. So, after you power it up, it'll automatically go to 410 and it'll just blink. And once it's heated up, it'll beep and then just hold that light. It heats up pretty dang quick, so we'll just give it a second. So now our curling iron is all heated up, as you can see the light holding on. And I've taken a piece of her hair. I've been messing around with this for a little bit, so you can see some of her hair is a little bit curled. So I'm now familiar with about how much hair that they recommend to use in that little card that they gave us. So I'm just gonna grab this much. It's not a ton of hair, but I'm just going to set it against this side, just feeding it this way. And because I want the hair to go this way, I'm gonna press this button. And I'm just going to press it and wait until all of the hair is in and then let go. And it'll beep when it's done. There it goes. And now we'll just gently let the hair down. And we've got a beautiful little curl. The nice thing about this is it pulls out really smoothly. It doesn't catch. And even better, this little guard thing, it's their anti-scald guard. So you don't have to worry about burning yourself or the head of whoever you're curling or even the hair. So we'll just keep working our way around the head, grabbing the recommended amount of hair, putting it into the barrel, and pushing the button in the direction we want it to curl, and waiting for that beep.
Can I try?
Yeah. Here.
Thank you.
Here's that. I'll hold the mirror. Whenever you want it.
Perfect.
Nice.
Yay.
I'll finish the rest of your head. We're just finishing up her head. This is honestly pretty quick. It only took me like maybe 10 minutes to do. So that's nice. And this one's got a lot of hair. And even better, this curling iron makes pretty small curls. So I'll anticipate that these curls will probably last a little bit because they're pretty tight. Alrighty, it looks like we're done. So I'm gonna give her hair a quick hairspray, and we'll comb it out, and we'll show you the finished product. Alright, now I'm just going to shake them out a little bit now that I've hairsprayed them, and I'm just going to comb them a little bit with my fingers, just to break up the ringlets, just so we get a little more of those waves. Alright, we're all done using the Prizm Bloom automatic curler. And they gave her some beautiful, beautiful waves. We've got them combed out a little bit. So I'll give you a quick spin. Yeah, super quick, super easy to use. And the end result is very, very pretty.
Thank you so much for watching. And thanks to Prizm for sending us this wonderful curling iron and letting us try it out and reviewing on it. It was great and we loved it. And subscribe over here, watch more videos right here, and subscribe over here. Bye-bye!